All right, guys, so this morning I showed you that the mower would not start, and I'm going to prove it again. We'll pull the choke. Okay, it's not going to start. However, I noticed that when I turn the key on, that relay right there, right here, is not clicking. So I tested the relay, it was fine. Let me show you what it was. Listen. Hear that? Watch. If I hold the safety switch in, so I have a bad contactor in the safety switch right there. So that's what it was. Make sure that all your safety equipment is working if you have a problem like this where it'll crank but not start.